Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to build Angular calculator application. As you can see that I have already posted an article about this topic on my blog codingdiksha.com. I have also given this article link on the video description. You know that currently the code will work fine on Angular 12. Don't worry, in future if the Angular releases new versions, then we will update the article according to that new version. So you don't have to worry about it if you are watching the video on later after Angular releasing the new versions. Okay, let's move on to the tutorial. First you need to install node.js and Angular CLI on the operating system. Let me install node.js first. It is downloading currently. Let me open the Angular CLI page also. It will take a couple of minutes to finish the download and installation. Please wait until that. Yeah, it is downloaded. Now I am going to install the node.js. It is calculating the space requirements. It will take a couple of minutes. Please wait until that. Just click the next button, then accept the agreement, then click the next button again and again. You don't need to change anything. Finally click the install button. It will start to installing node.js. As you can see that node.js has been successfully installed. Okay, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as the code editor, so I'm opening the Visual Studio Code. Let me close the existing projects. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to open the new folder, Angular tutorials. Okay, you can see that there are no files inside Angular tutorials folder. Okay, now let me install the Angular CLI. For that you have to use this command, npm space install space -g space at angular /CLI. Copy the code and open the terminal and paste the command and hit enter. It will take couple of minutes to install Angular CLI. Please wait until that. As you can see that Angular CLI is successfully installed. Okay, now let me create a new project. For that you have to use this command ng space new space application name. I am using the application name as ng calculator. So I copy the command and I pasted it here, then I hit enter. It is showing some error, cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on the system. Okay, let me fix this issue first. Actually this error is showing because I am using the PowerShell, so we need to use the command prompt. So click command prompt. Okay, don't use the PowerShell. Let me enter the command again. As you can see that it is working fine. Now it is asking one question: would you like to add Angular routing? If you want to add Angular routing, you have to type Y, otherwise you have to type N. Okay, so I just type N, then I hit enter. Now it is asking which style sheet format would you like to use. Actually you can use various style sheets such as CSS, SCSS, SCSS and LESS in Angular. I am going to use CSS as the style sheet, so I just hit enter. If you want, you can change the options using the arrows keys. You can see that it is installing packages. It will take a couple of minutes. Please wait until that. New project is successfully created. As you can see that packages installed successfully. Okay, now let me open the project. You can see that there are a lot of files showing. Open the src folder, then open the index.html file. Okay, I'm going to use Bootstrap to style the calculator. For that we have to include the Bootstrap CDN. So copy this code and paste it in index.html file inside the head section or inside the body section, that's not matter. Okay, I save the file. Okay, now you need to open app.component.ts file, expand the app folder, you can find app.component.ts file, open that, then copy and replace the code. And save the file. After that, you have to open the app.component.html file, copy and replace the code, app.component.html. Yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. Now we have to run the project. For that, you have to use this command ng space serve space -1. Before that, you have to navigate to the project using the cd command. So cd space, my project name is ng calculator, so ng calculator. Successfully navigated to the project. Now we need to use the command ng space serve space -open space -open. That's it. Now I'm going to run the project. It will take couple of minutes to open the project. Now it is generating browser application bundles. As you can see that it is successfully opened the project, compiled successfully. Android Live Development Service listening to localhost :4200. Okay, you can see that localhost :4200. I refresh the page. Okay, Angular calculator is successfully opened. Now let me add the numbers 50 plus 25. It will automatically display the result without clicking the equal button. 75. Now 45 minus 5. It is showing the result 40. Okay. 85 into 2, 170. Then divide option, 50 divided by 2, 25. If you want to erase the particular number, you can use this yellow color X button. Okay. If you want to clear all the fields, then you have to click the C button. Okay. That's it, guys. I hope this video tutorial helps you to build Angular calculator application. If you have any doubts or if you face any issues about this video tutorial, then please leave a comment. We will help you. If you want to receive more updates about Angular, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.